Hello, thank you for coming back to Tiffany's Creations, and we got a great plan for you today. We are going to transform this old, we had used this as a prop for Halloween a couple years ago. Last year it was, right? Not the Halloween that just passed, but the previous. And it's been sitting outside getting weathered. So we're going to take it this year, we're going to make a gingerbread house. How cool is that? It's going to look so great. I can't wait till it's done. But the first thing that we're going to do is we got this brown paint. We got this at Walmart. We had it mixed. It's just a brown color paint. So the first thing we're going to do is paint the bottom of the house brown. So Tiff and I got paintbrushes. We're going to get to work.
Well, we really should have roughed it up and took all this off, but we ain't worried about that.
Yeah,
But if you
it's
want
just
to,
it's just for this year for a Christmas prop out front. Brown, we did the first coat. We got to go over a couple spots for a second coat. But in the meantime, we're going to paint the white. We're going to do the top white and around the windows and the little archway of the door. All right, so we're going to get that going.
Okay, so we put the plastic cups up on the roof where we're going to place them and use these as gumdrops. And I'm getting ready to spray paint them. And we just placed them here so we had an idea of how many to spray paint in a certain color. And we're using 4 colors of spray paint. So the first color we're going to do is red, and then green, yellow, purple. And I'm going to do red first. So red, green, yellow, purple, red, green, yellow, purple, red. So I'm going to spray paint 4 first right now. Okay, so here is a peppermint decoration we made. Just going to show you real quick how we did this. We just cut out a piece of clear cellophane paper about, how many inches? This is about 15 by, yeah, maybe 12 inches. And then we just drew some lines on this styrofoam piece we had from some buckets. They were in between the buckets. So I'm just gonna sit this face down on here, turn the paper over, and turn this side over on it. And we have pipe cleaners. Cut them into 4ths. We're gonna use that. Okay, so we're just going to make these little candy decorations to put alongside the house. We got 6 pieces of it's about 1-inch PVC pipe stuff, just cut into little pieces, and we have blue and pink cellophane wrap, and I'm just going to wrap it around like a little hard piece of candy, and a wrapper. Wrap it like this. And we have more pipe cleaners. Pieces we cut. And then just twist the corner. Just try and make it a little even. Okay, these are going to be our little gumdrops. These were originally little snowballs. We cut them in half and just going to spray paint these for our gumballs for our decoration.
Okay, so we bring the gingerbread house close so you can just see like where we're gonna decorate. And we're gonna put the beautiful little candies that Tiffany finished off while I was doing the second coat. And we're gonna place them on top. Well, no, we're gonna do these. We're gonna place these on top. We made she colored the Dixie cups that we're gonna use as gumdrops. Really great idea. So we're gonna pick these up.
Red, green, yellow, purple.
Here's a purple. Red. Red, green, yellow, purple. Just go, you know.
Okay, so right here we're just using the E6000 to glue the bottom of the cups to the gingerbread house.
Together, it's looking good, right?
Yeah.
All right.
We're just gonna use this E6000 to go around.
Alrighty, so we're all done, and I hope you like it. We enjoyed making it. And the color that we used for the brown, I found the card at Walmart. It's called Artist Copper. So I think it's a great color for the gingerbread house. And we used the little solo cups for this, and we found these ornaments at Walmart, the icicles. You know, you watch Tiffany make the candy wraps, and that's how it turned out. We're happy with it. I hope you're happy with it. So we're gonna take you 360, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. This is London. Say hey, Lon. You like it? You like the gingerbread house?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Thank you for watching.